The first thing we're going to do is lower the deck to the lowest position. Now with the deck lowered, the deck is connected to the lawn tractor at 6 different points. The first point is the belt is connected from the pulleys of the deck to this pulley that's attached to the engine. The second connection point is this front lever right here with its front rod. It's connected by what they call these? They call these a bow tie cotter pin. All right, and the third connection point is right here. It's from the lift arm to the deck support right here. And it's connected with a rod and a bow tie cotter pin. The fourth connection point is on the other side. It has another lever to rod on that side to match this side right here. So that's the fourth point. And the fifth point, I'm gonna have to go to the other side to do that one. The fifth connection point is the PTO cable here, and the PTO cable spring is also connected with a hook on the other side over here. So what I'm gonna do, start off taking off these bow tie cotter pins so I can remove the deck. First connection point done, and my belt is already broken, so I'm not gonna worry too much about this. Back that up. It's a lot easier to take this off. That way you can just take this cable out of that pulley. It's not really that big of a deal. So we'll get that off in a second. But that's the second connection point. It's already broken, so I ain't gotta worry about that. All right, now let me take this third one off. All right, got that banjo cotter pin out. Get off of there. All right, this side out. All right, and I got one more clip that's on here. All right, that connection point is gone. And there go the hook right there. Can you see it wiggling on the camera? Let's see if I can get it in there. You can see it. All right, flip this cable up here. Drag it in from the bottom. I can get this up out of the way. And that's it for the connection points on the deck. Now I can remove the deck. All right, the deck is out. I'm doing this with one hand. There's a little hole on her on this idler pulley bracket that you gotta put the spring in. All right, we got both of those connection points done. Got the spring done. It's back here. And we got the cable attached to its support on the deck. All right, now we gotta get these levers down So connect these levers to the deck support brackets right here. What I gotta do is get this connection point right here, connect this rod through this lift, through this deck support hole right here. That's my goal. Okay, that one wasn't too difficult. All right, I got this one on. Now I just gotta put my bow tie cotter pin through it, and this one will be good. I definitely recommend changing the cotter pins out whenever you do this, but I don't have any more, so these are just gonna have to work. If it comes loose, I know exactly what it is. So what I'm about to do is do the same thing on this side. It's hard to capture it with holding the camera and doing it at the same time. So what I'm gonna do, same thing, connect this lever, this lift to this deck support bracket right here, and pushing this rod through and using a bow tie cotter pin to secure it. All right, got that on there. Put this banjo cotter pin in here. That's that for that connection point. And what I'm doing, put this belt right here over this bracket that I took down. Put it around that pulley. I guess I'm not gonna hold y'all up with. I got the belt around that motor pulley right there, and I got the bracket back into the hole right here, and that's all good. So next, I gotta put this front support pulley in there. All right, I got that connection point. That's all 6 connection points. Put the banjo, I'm gonna put this banjo clip through here. That's through there. Let's lift this deck up and just see. Go on, look at that. Now that's how it's supposed to be.
Come on, sorry. Let's hear it.
Say thank you for subscribing.
Thank you, Scott. Okay, let's hear it.